So, welcome to our school. Our subject for today is math. And this is I think four meeting. Okay. So our lesson for today, topic again, unit 1, fraction. Because there are a lot of subtopic about fraction. And we are now in lesson 7. Lesson 7 is a review about the simplest form of a fraction. Okay. So I always have a review about past lesson. That is lesson 7. And lesson 8 is our lesson for today about comparing fraction. Again, we are again in a unit 1 about fraction, and we are review about lesson 7, the simplest form of a fraction, and now our lesson is comparing fraction. Okay, let's review first about simplifying fraction. Simplifying fraction. Okay, how do you solve and simplify fraction? Okay, so reducing or simplifying fraction means we make the fraction as simple as possible. We do this by dividing the numerator and denominator by the largest number. Okay? By the largest number. Largest. Divide. Divide the numerator and denominator by the largest number that can divide into both numbers exactly. In other words, we divide the top and bottom by the biggest number they have in common. Okay? Again, we do the division. We divide the numerator and denominator by the largest number. And when you divide it into that number, it should be exact. Okay? So the top is the numerator and the bottom is the denominator. And you will divide it into the biggest number that have common. Okay? Common means the same with the number you are going to divide to the numerator and denominator. Okay? Okay. A fraction for which there is no other number except 1 that can divide both the numerator and the denominator without a remainder is in its simplest form. So if the fraction, both numerator and denominator is only you can divide by 1 without a remainder, it means exact. It is in a simplest form. So you don't need to have any number, only 1. Okay? And that is simplest form. It's already reduced to the simplest form. Okay, you watch this as a review for our past lesson. Everybody, you listen and watch.
We want to simplify the following fractions. A fraction in the simplest form. A fraction is considered simplified if the numerator and denominator do not contain any common factors. So one method for determining the common factors between 12 and 30, so one way of identifying the common factors between 12 and 30 would be by looking at the prime factorization of each. So let's determine the prime factorization of 12. 2 times 6 and 2 times 3. So the prime factorization of 12 would be 2 times 2 times 3. Let's go ahead and do the same for 30. 3 times 10, 2 times 5. So we have 2 times 3 times 5 for the prime factorization of 30. And now we can identify which prime factors the numerator and denominator have in common. Here we have a 2 over 2, which simplifies to 1. Here we have a 3 over 3, which simplifies to 1. So whatever's left is the simplified fraction for 12/30ths. So 12/30ths is equal to 2/5. Now it is true, if you know your multiplication tables really well, you can look at 12 and 30 and identify the greatest common factor of 6. It would be much shorter to divide the numerator by 6, the denominator by 6, to obtain the simplified fraction of 2/5. But when first learning how to simplify fractions, I prefer the prime factorization method because it makes it very easy to identify all the common factors, and whatever factors remain give us the simplified fraction. Let's go ahead and try a second example. We'll start by determining the prime factorization of 36 and 48. So we'll start with 6 times 6. Each of these would be 2 times 3. So we have 2 factors of 2 and 2 factors of 3 for 36. It's easier to identify them if you put them in order from least to greatest. Now let's take a look at 48. We have 6 times 8, 2 times 3, 4 times 2, and 2 times 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 factors of 2 and a factor of 3 for the prime factorization of 48. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And now let's look for the common factors. 2 over 2 simplifies to 1. 2 over 2 simplifies to 1. We also have a 3 over 3, which simplifies to 1. So now we can see that 36/48 simplifies to 3/4. So as the numerator and denominator get much larger, the prime factorization technique is a great method. But again, if you know your multiplication tables really well, you can look at 36 and 48 and identify 12 as the greatest common factor. It would be much shorter to just divide the numerator and denominator by 12 to obtain the simplified fraction of 3/4.
So as you see in this video, you will see they use the prime factorization, or if you know the multiplication table, you can easily do this way. Okay, this is a you get the prime number, and then you are going to the common factor.
I can understand this one.
What? This one?
Yeah, this one, teacher.
Okay, you know this? This is what we call prime factorization. So we are going to get the 12. Okay, the numerator first. Okay, and then you are going to get the factors of 12, and that is 2 times 6. Okay, And then 2 is as is, the same, okay? Do not factor this 2 because it's only the factor of 2 is 1, okay? And 2 is prime factors. So 6, you are going to find the factors of 6, and that is 2 times 3. So it's n 12 for 2 is 1, 2 times 2 is equals to 4 times 3 is equals to 12. Okay? Then 30, you are going to factor the 30. That is 3 times 10. And then you are going to factor 10. And the factor of 10 is 2 times 5. Okay? And then 3, this one. So you start with a small number. That is 2. Okay? That is 2. This one, this is 2, 3,
2 times 3
5.
times 5.
Times 3, 2 times 3, 2 times 3,
6.
times 5.
30.
Y
30.
is 30. So the factors of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3.
Times.
Okay? And this 30, the factor of this is 2 times 3 times 5. Okay? So you are going to get the common number of both number. Okay? That is 2. In 12, there is 2. So there is 2. Okay? There is 3 and there is 3. So the remaining number is 2 and 5. That's why the sim simple fraction or the simplest fraction is 2/5. Okay? 2/5. So if you will divide this number to 6, 12 divided by 6 is equals to
2, 5.
2. And 30
And
divided
2,
by
6.
3 is equals to 5. So the answer is the simplest form of 12 over 30 is
2, 5.
2/5. Okay. Understand? Same with this, 36 over 48.
Teacher, but 36 over 48.
This is the,
2 times 2 times 2 times 3.
yes, 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 3, 36. Okay? This one, we do the prime factorization. 36, 6 times 6. Okay? Then you are going to break down the 6. That is 2 times 3 and 2 times 3. That's why 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. Okay? Equals to 36. Same with 48. Break down 48 and the factors is 6 times 8. Okay? So 6 is 2 times 3 and 8 is 4 times 2. Then 4 is not prime. That's why it's a breakdown to 2 times 2. So all of this with circle number is do like this. When you multiply these numbers, the answer is 48. So the common number for 36 and 48 is 2. They have 2 here. They have 2 here. That's why I put slash. Okay. There are 3 here and 3 here. This one, no more. Okay. So 3 and then 2 times 2, 4. So the simplest form of 36 over 48 is 3/4. If you're going to find the simplest form for 36, you are going to divide to the largest number. Okay? And 36 divided by 12 is 3. And 48 divided by 12 is 4. So the answer is 3/4. Okay? Understand?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, let's do this. Let's simplify this fraction.
Teacher,
Yes, Anna.
write in notebook.
No, no, no. We are going to call your name and then you are going to answer.
Teacher,
Okay.
teacher me, please.
I will call your name. Okay, wait. So Anna, what is your answer?
6.
Huh?
No.
It is six. Six over
1/5.
1/5.
1/5.
Okay, 1/5. Okay, how about number 2?
Me, please. Teacher me, please.
Okay, 5.
1/2.
1/2. Okay. How about number 3? Number 3, who wants to answer in number 3? How about the others? Anna and Pai answered already. How about the others?
Me.
Okay, wait. I want to see you raise your hand. Okay, Ron. Ron.
1/10.
1,
10.
10. Okay, very good. How about number 4, Jim? Raise your hand. Hmm?
Teacher me, please.
Jim?
Me.
Jim. No, I want Jim to answer because Jim, what is your answer in number 4?
Teacher me, please.
Wait. Let's give other a chance to answer, okay?
Teacher, I know now 4/5.
Huh? What is your
4/5.
4? 5
5.
or 4/5, okay? 4/5
4/5.
and 4/5. Okay. Next, number 5. Who can answer number 5? Anyone? I will call your name. Okay, number 5. Trin. What is the answer in number 5? Trin. Hmm? Oh, sing song. Sing song.
3/4.
Huh? 3?
4.
Okay, it is 3/4. Yeah. Very good. How about you, Tonam? Tonam.
Please.
Huh?
May I go to the toilet, please?
Who?
Me, toilet, teacher.
Ah, Tonam is in the toilet.
Yes.
Oh, camping. Camping.
2/3.
2/3. Okay. How about number 7?
Me.
Who? Hmm?
Anna.
Huh?
Anna.
Anna, how about the others? Anna, okay, let's give other chance, huh? Okay. But
Okay.
some of this class, okay, this one. Tigger.
2/4.
2/4, number 7.
Yes.
You can divide the 2/4 to the
1/2.
Oh, one
one
half.
one
One
half.
half.
Okay.
1/2.
1/2. Okay.
Teacher, me please.
5. Let's give other a chance. Okay. Okay, let's give other the chance to answer. How about I will call. Okay. Is there anyone who can answer? Hammer, hammer, hammer. Hammer. Huh? 99 over 108. 99 over 108. What is your answer? Tul. Tul. Huh? What is the answer? Oh, raise the hand.
11, 12.
11 over.
11 over 12.
Okay. 11 over 12. Okay, how about number 9? I want to Hannah. Hannah.
2, 2.
Hannah, number 9. 4 over 8. Hannah.
2, 2.
No.
Half.
Go. Hannah, more. Hmm? Gypso.
1/2.
1/2. Okay. It's 1/2. It's a very short. This is the smallest number of fraction. Okay, it's easy. How about number 10? Me.
Um, 1/5.
1/5. Okay. Very good. 1/5. Okay, how about 11? Those are, I call you hammer, but you not answer, huh? How about the others? Huh? Maple. Open cam. Everybody open cam. I want to see your face. Open your cam. Okay. Number 1. 5 is last 6. Huh? Number 1, 5 is last 6. Where are you? Huh? Why some of you? I told you to open your cam. I want to see your face. Because not all of you I count 1, 2, 3. You will not open your palm. I'm telling you. How can I know you? Huh? Okay, number 6. Kung kan. Number 6, 5 slash 5. What is your answer in number 11? Kung kan.
5, 8,
Huh? 5,
8.
5, 8. Okay. How about number 12? How about you? Tang. 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 Hello, P5. Are you there? Do you hear me?
Yes.
I called the name. Why you not answer? Huh? Okay, number 1, 5 slash 6. What is your answer? Number 12. Number 1 slash 6. What is your answer in number 12? What is your name, Kat? That is 63 over 72. What is the simplest form of this number? Pat. Hmm? Okay. You're not... Mapol, Mapol.
7, 8.
7, 8. Okay. Okay, number 13. You. Huh? You, what is your, you about you, Anucha?
1, 8.
1, 8. Okay. Number 14. How about you, number 12? Number 12. Number 12, 5 slash 6. Number 12. What is your answer in number 14? Why this not answer? Not answer my question. This number 1, number 12. Why you not answer my question? Do you hear me?
Me, please.
Huh?
Me, please.
Me, please.
Me, please.
Who? Who?
Me.
Maple.
Okay. Answer.
48.
Huh?
48.
No. More?
Me.
Who? Jim?
Nick.
Nick?
1/2.
1/2. Okay. That is 1/2. Number 15. Number 15, 2/6. What is the simplest form of this 2/6? How about you, number 1?
Please.
Number 5, number 1, 5/5.
1/3.
1/3. Okay. And the last one, number 16. Oh. The same hand. Number 4/5.
Oh,
4. Number 4. How about you, Nat? Nat,
Teacher, I know.
wait. Let's give Nat to answer this last number. Nat. Huh? Oh. Are you listening? Huh? Are you listening? Nat?
Yes.
Oh, what is the answer? Number 16. Some of you, I will list those names that when I call, not answer my question. I will take note those
I can answer.
students.
Me.
Same hand. Oh, Hannah.
7, 10.
7.
7, 10.
Okay, 7/10. Okay. Okay, those who answer the question is okay. Anna, Mick, Gypso, Maple, Camping, Jim, Hannah, and also Anu. What is your nickname? Anucha. Yeah, those and also this number 1. Number 11. Do not answer my question, huh? Number 14, Nat. Number 4, Gab. I also answer my question. Huh? I call your name. Also, you, Hammer. Huh? What are you doing? Also, number 1. Do you hear me? Number 1, 5 plus 5, 6. Pat. This is Pat or Pirapat. Pirapat, number 1. Do you hear me? Huh? Number 1, 5 plus 6. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, why you not answer my question? I call your name. Huh? And others. Okay. Okay. So, this is a simplifying fraction. Now we are proceed to okay, this one. Another. Number 1.
Me, please. Me, please, teacher.
Okay, Ron.
Bye, teacher.
Huh? What is your answer, Ron?
Teacher, me, please.
Bro, who?
Bye.
Pi, okay. What is your answer, pi?
310.
310. Okay, number 2. Number 2. You can answer number 2. That is 50 over 36. Who?
Me.
Anna?
Yes.
Okay, what is the answer?
5 over 12.
Excuse me, teacher Daisy.
Yes?
Yes. Please accept someone waiting for join the meeting.
Again, teacher,
Someone waiting for join our meeting.
oh, okay. I admit it already, teacher.
Thank you very much.
Okay, you can answer number 2.
Me.
Anna, what is your answer?
5 over 12.
5
5
over
over 12.
12. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, wait. 5 over 12. Okay. Next. Who can answer?
Me.
Number 3. Hmm? Number 3. Can answer number 3. I want to see. Okay.
Me.
Number 3.
Me.
Me.
So,
It's me.
arm.
Đúng rồi hiểu ạ.
Arm. Arm.
Đó đấy, tôi cho nó nói luôn. Mà chết chết. Được đi phóng. Cái trao chặt cái qua đi thẳng.
So
I
5.
want to call arm.
4/5.
ฮะ
4/5.
มีกระเป๋าอยู่เล็กๆไปอันนี้ต้องกดฟังขึ้นมา
วันนี้พ่อต้องทับแตกก่อนเนี่ย
มาถึงยุ่ง
สงสารพยาชิต ทำไมอ่ะมันคือขับไม่ได้เลย
Okay, number 36 over 45.
Me, please.
Okay, what is your answer?
มันเป็นแบบนี้
4/5.
4/5.
5th.
มันเป็นหนังพูดอย่างนั้นก็ต้องดำๆเลยต้องออกมาอยู่
เช็ดเช็ดเฉยเครื่อง
Okay, how about number 4?
Me please
Oh,
Me,
wait,
me.
wait,
Me.
wait, wait.
ทำทุกอย่างได้
ใครอ่ะ
โทรศัพท์
Okay, you,
คนหน้า
Gab. You raise your hand, Gab. What is the answer?
1/2
Huh? 1?
1/2
Number 4? 9 over 24? Are you sure?
I know.
Is that 1/2? Huh?
Three, 8
Number 3. Okay.
I want to answer boy
3/8. Okay. This one, number 5.
Me.
me
Me.
Okay.
please
Wait. Let's give others chance. Okay. Because the same hand. I want others to answer. Opal. Opal. Do you hear me, Opal? Huh? Opal. How about Nisa?
1/8
1/8. Okay, very good. How about number? How about number 6? Tang. Tang.
Okay, let's go to letter E. Continue. After letter E, write
Tang.
letter E. Use your notebook.
Where are you?
1/4.
Huh?
1/4.
No.
Write and write it.
How about Nib? Number 4. Number 4.
Me, please.
teacher me please
Grade 5.
me please
Me read I know now.
Oh,
I know now.
B.
One, two,
Me.
three.
Number 7, 5/6. Number 7.
Okay.
Number 4. Number 7, 5/6. Number 4.
2/3.
Huh?
2/3.
2/3. Okay. Who answered that?
Abby.
Okay. Next, number 7. 15 over 30.
3/4.
3/4.
3/4. Okay.
3/4.
How about number 8?
1/2.
1/2. Number 9.
1/2.
1/2. Again, 1/2. Number 10.
7/10.
7 over.
10.
Okay. How about number
1/2.
1/2? Okay. This one.
1/4. 1/4.
1/4.
This one.
2/3.
Huh?
2/3.
2/3.
2/3. Okay.
1/2.
1/2.
1/2. How about this?
1/5.
1/5.
1/5. And this one.
1/4.
1/4.
So 1/4. Okay. So those answer. Very good. How about the others? Huh? How about the others? What are you doing there? Huh? Only how many students answered? That is 9. How about the others? Those 9 who raised their hand, answer when I call. How about the others? Huh? What about the others? Huh? You're just playing, especially those not open the cam. Number 20, number. Oh, I will record those students who participate in this class. Okay. So give me another days and I will know all of you. Okay. Everyone, your camera. So let's the last slide, okay, is about the fraction into its simplest form. Now we are going to study about how to turn a fraction or mixed number into its simplest form. So when we watch this, And then if you have any question, you will ask Teacher Daisy. Okay na?
Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang, and we're here to talk about how to turn a fraction or mixed number into a simplest form. Now, oftentimes when it comes to a fraction in simplest form, we're talking about reduced form, and mixed number is a flexibility depending on what you're looking for. So here's an illustration on fractions first before we turn our attention to mixed numbers. Now, if you have a fraction, such as 2/4, turning it into simplest form means can you reduce it? Now, 2 and the 4th, you can tell they both have a factor of 2 in common, so you divide both sides by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2, and you would go from there. Now, some fractions are already in reduced form. For example, you have 8/7 or 21.
Teacher, I can hear sound.
Keep in mind, you take the denominator and multiply by the whole number and add by the numerator. So 2 times 3 is 6, add the 1 is 7, so so depending on what you're doing,
Teacher, I can hear the sound.
Okay.
Teacher, I can hear the sound because it has sound of a car.
It's too loud. Hi.
Huh?
How about the others? Do you hear? Do you hear the sound?
Yes, I hear.
I hear.
I hear.
I hear a little bit.
Yes, I hear.
Yeah, a little bit
Yeah.
only. A little bit only, teacher.
Huh?
I hear only sound of car.
Yes.
I
Yes.
hear
You cannot hear the sound?
Yeah, it's a little bit only. Yes.
Okay, I will repeat. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I will repeat. Listen. Okay. So, how to turn a fraction or mixed number into its simplest form. So this is when we say mixed number, that is composed of a whole number and a proper fraction. So, this is the mixed number. Okay, na? 3 and 4/8 is a mixed fraction. And when you convert it, mixed fraction, into the improper fraction, so you got 7 over 2. Okay, na? So this is 3 and 4/8. And 3 and 4/8, you are going to turn this into a simplest form. So 3, same, the whole number. And then 4/8 in a simplest form is 1/2. Okay? Understand? 3 and 1/2. The mixed number 3 and 4/8 is turned into its simplest form for 3 and 1/2. So when you convert this 3 and 1/2 into improper fraction, So the answer is 7 over 2. Okay na? Understand?
Again.
Okay, Jimmy.
Teacher, and please.
Again.
Ano?
Again.
Ha?
I say, repeat again.
Okay.
Teacher, repeat again.
Okay. Again. Let's give you a mixed number. Okay? A mixed number is composed of whole number and proper fraction. Like this example. Okay? Okay, let's see the example. This is the example. 3 and 4a. 3 and 4a. Okay? So mixed fraction. Our lesson is turn a mixed number into its simplest form. So this is the example of mixed number. Okay na? Then, if you are going to turn this into simplest form, 3, the whole number is the same. So the proper fraction is the one you are going to convert into simplest fraction. Okay? And 4/8 is 1/2.
1/2.
Okay. So the answer is 3 and 1/2. This mixed number is turned into the simplest form of 3 and 1/2. And then you are going to make this number into improper fraction. Okay? The improper fraction of 3 and 1/2 is 7 over 2. Okay? Why 7 over 2?
Teacher, how to make 3 1/2 in proper fraction?
Improper fraction. You are going to multiply the denominator to the whole number. 2 times 3, and then you add to the numerator. 3 times 2, or 2 times 3 plus 1 is equals 7.
7.
And it's same denominator. Okay?
Okay.
Okay na?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry for the interruption because there is something that very noisy in the school. That's why you cannot hear the sound. You interrupt by the sound outside. Wait, wait, wait. Okay. Okay, hello. Sorry for the sound that you hear because there is something outside. The other side of the school building, there is some construction doing there. Okay na? Sorry. Okay, understand this? How the mixed
Yes.
number? Okay.
Yes. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Now let's go to letter D. Letter D. You would like to answer letter D. Can I have another student?
Okay, now we are going to do this. You simplify this fraction. This is a improper fraction.
Can you answer letter D?
So number 1, okay, I give you example as number 1. Okay na?
Letter D.
26 over 10 is an improper fraction. So you are going to convert this improper fraction into a mixed number. Okay na? So
Okay.
you are going to divide 12 to 26. And the answer is 2
two,
and
2 and 1 6.
2 and 1.
Okay, we are going to do 2 and 2, 12, and then you are going to wait, 2, 12 is we are going to turn into simplest form. Okay, so the answer is 2 and 2 plus 12, and then you are going to simplest form, so 2 and 1
2
over
and
6.
4.
Ah,
2 and 1 6.
okay, 2 and 1 6. Okay, you do number 2.
What pattern is letter
Number 2.
Who can do number 2?
minus how many?
4 and 4. 4 and 2 7.
2,
4 and 2 7.
4,
And 2 7.
and 2, 7.
Because. Because.
Okay, number 3. Okay, you do in your notebook.
Okay.
Get your notebook and do this. Okay, because some of you, I don't know, some of you not. Get your notebook and do this.
Teacher, do all.
Yes. Answer only. You can
So let's go back to letter E. Is it correct? Letter
okay. You answer this, all of you. As you notice, there are hundreds and thousands.
yes or no? Yes. Letter G. Is it correct? Unit. Is it correct? Letter E. Yes or no? Yes. Letter E. Is it correct?
Walang
Is it correct? Letter H. Yes or no?
wala.
Yes. And the last one, letter I. Is it correct? Yes or no?
Yes, please.
you have questions? Who has questions? Can you understand? Yes or no? You can understand.
Teacher, may I go to toilet, please?
Go. Okay, you may go.
Okay, no more questions. Let's do your workbook now. Get your math workbook, please. We have your math workbook, please. Yes, okay, math workbook. Open, please. On page 12. And your math workbook on page 12. Yeah, workbook. Workbook page 12. Okay, we will do only letter A and then B, C, D. You can do it by yourself, okay? We will do example letter A. How can be the direction? Okay. Okay. Can you read the direction? How to do this one? This one. Starting from what number? 760. Okay, and count forward. Okay, by time. Starting from 25,760 and count forward by time. So you can see example, right? Count forward by time, meaning to say, use the pattern plus sign. In every letter, use plus sign. In every letter, use plus sign. Like for example, letter A, plus sign. Okay, follow this pattern. Letter B, plus sign. Letter C, plus sign. And then letter D, plus sign. Okay. You see it on page 12 already. Hang on, we have questions raising.
Okay, number 4 and number 5 is improper, not improper fraction. That is proper fraction. Number 4, number 5, and number 12. Number 4, number 5, and number 12 is proper fraction.
Teacher, write number 4, number 5, and number 12.
Yes.
Write a proper fraction.
Yeah, I will challenge you if you notice this, okay? but I give you this 4, 5, and 12 as a proper fraction, so you can convert this into a simplest form. Unlike the other number, it is all made improper. Also number 8. Number 8 is a proper fraction. Okay? Number 4, you convert this into simplest form.
Teacher, I want teacher to do example number 4.
Number 4 is like what we did in the previous slides. You are divide this number to the largest number, so you can get the answer. Or the
Oh, alright. Largest number of number 4. Alright, the largest of 28, 45
Yeah.
lakh.
Yeah, you will. Okay, na? You
Okay.
understand? Okay. You divide
Okay.
this numerator and denominator to the largest number.
Finish.
Nhập cũng sẽ liều.
Number 2, this one is number 2. This is number 2. This is number 2. Give me a number 3. A, B, C, D, like that. See, are you finished? No, okay. Okay. So if you're finished in number 2, okay. Then you can do, okay. Did you check your answer already? How many percent? 100% correct?
Teacher, finish now. Teacher, I finished now.
Number 3. How to do number 3? I'll give you only example number 1. And you can do it by yourself. Okay? So number 3, if your workbook that is on page 12 and 13. Page 12 and 13. That is A, B, C, D, and E. Okay? A, B, C, D. Let's do example. So it says there, starting from 29,560. 29,560. Okay? And then count backward by 10. It says there, count backward, meaning to say you are going to use subtraction or minus. Use minus counting backward by 10. Counting backward by 10. So in every number, use minus 10. Yeah? Use minus 10.
So finish already is Jim.
560 minus 10.
No, teacher, I not finished.
And this,
I number 7.
okay. So you raise your hand. Anna, finish already? No. About to make, finish?
Look, the number line is going to the left. Going to okay. Minus 10. So in every number, use minus 10 also. So letter A, minus 10. Okay. Letter B, minus 10. In every letter, use minus 10. Okay. So you can do it now. Do you have questions? If you don't understand, you can ask me. Okay. I think you can do it by yourself. What is it? Do you have question? Do you have, what is your question? Okay, you now only 4 and do not do number 4, page 13. Enter ID number 3, A, B, C, D. Okay? And then if you are finished, check your answer. Sure, you can do that. You can do that. Yes. Yeah, only do number 2 and 3 on page 12 and page 13. Number 2, there are 4 letters, right? A, B, C, D. Only that. Number 3, A, B, C, D again. Do not do number 4. Or finish. Yes. What number? Letter A. Letter A, right? Yes. Letter A. What is? What is the number in letter A? And you need 14. What is it? 32. 30. Okay. 32,000. Wait. 32,000. Okay. 32,675, right? Okay. 32,000. I will minus 3. Minus 3. 32,675. 32,675 minus 10. Okay, wait. Okay. 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0. Okay. 5. 5 minus 0 equals 5. 7 minus 1. 6. Okay. And then bring down 6, right? Because you can't see any number. Bring down 6. And then bring down 2. And then bring down 3. Okay, so what is the next number? Please, can you read what is the next number? 32,000.
Teacher, finish.
Okay. So,
Teacher, finish now.
okay. So how about the others?
60.
No, teacher, I not finished. I use number 14 and I finish รอมันด้วย
Are you doing? Huh? You do your
I do number 13 now.
who not doing here? How about you? I see your notebook, Hammer. Show me your notebook, please. I want to see if you're doing or not. Hammer, please show me your notebook. I want to see. Number 4. Hammer. Show me your notebook now. Huh? I want to see your... See? She's not doing. It's not doing. I want to see if you're doing or not. Open cam, please. Open cam. I want to see if you're doing or not. Open cam. P5. P5. Please open your cam. Those not open the cam, I want to see if you are doing or not. Number 20, number 13, 5/6, number 13, 5/5, GAM, number 15. I said open your cam. 5/5, Decan, number 12, number 16, number 19. Okay, those who open cam. Oh, go back to Hammer. I want to see your notebook. Show it to me.
Teacher Hammer don't yet do. I think.
Huh?
I think Hammer not yet do because walking to get something.
It's not doing, huh? That's why I want you to open your cam. Because I want to see if you're doing or not.
Teacher finish now.
Okay now. So everybody ready to check? Hmm?
Ready.
Okay, everybody, let's check your answer. Are you ready to check your answer?
Okay, teacher, ready now.
Okay. It's not yet ready. Okay, everybody. Let's check your answer. Number 1. Okay, check your answer. This is the answer. So number 1, the answer is 2 and 1/6. Okay. Number 2 is 4 and 2/3. Number 3 is 8 and 23/25. Number 4 is 7/10. Number 5 is 2/5. Number 6 is 6 and 1/4. Number 7, 9 and 1/4. Number 8 is 9/10. Number 9 is 4 and 1/8. Number 10 is 4 and 1/2. Number 11 is 7 and 7/25. Number 12 is 1/4. Number 13 is 6 and 5/6. And number 14, 2 and 3 and 25. And 15 is 8 and 15/16. And number 16 is 4 and 4/5. Okay? Got a perfect answer. Who got a all correct answer? Anyone? How about huh? Who got? Who got the correct answer? Huh? How about you, Jim? What is your score?
Wait, teacher, and I not finish check it
Okay.
for now.
Okay. How about you, me?
12.
All 12 out of 16. Not bad. Only four mistake. Okay, Nick?
Teacher, I got 15.
Camping. Huh? What is your score?
15.
15. One mistake. Very good, Camping. Okay. What number your mistake?
Number 14.
Number 14. This one. 2 and 3. What is your answer?
2 and 5, 25. 26.
Oh, okay. So this is the answer. 2 and 3.
2 and 26.
How about the others? How about the others? What is your score, Anna? Huh? What's your score? Yupai, what is your score? Huh?
Teacher, I got 11.
Oh, 11. Not bad. Okay.
Teacher, I got 14.
Oh, 14. Okay. How about you, Anna? Hannah. What is your score, Hannah?
11.
11, not bad. Okay. How about the others? Huh? Ron
Yes.
and
Yes.
Pooh. What is your score, Pooh?
Wait, me check out finish.
Oh, okay. How about Ron?
What page? Page 12 now. What page is
Okay. How about you? Number 1, 5/5. Piranat. What is your score? What's your score?
12.
12. Okay. How about you, Tongkan? What is your score? Score. Huh? What is your score? Tongkan. How about you, Anucha?
I got 10.
10. Okay, it's not bad. How about you, number 7? Pasawit.
I got 11.
11. Okay, not bad. As long as you get a half of this 8 down. Okay. Okay. So that is all the simplified fraction about the mixed number. Okay. Now, okay. Comparing fraction. Okay. That is how to compare the fraction. Okay. Let's proceed to our new topic about the lesson 8 about the comparing fraction. Okay. If the denominator are the same, okay. If the denominators are the same, then the fraction with the greater numerator is the greater fraction. Okay. If the denominator, okay, the bottom one, are the same, so the fraction with the greater numerator or top is the greater fraction. Because the fraction with the lesser numerator is the lesser fraction. And as noted above, if the numerator are equal, the fraction are equivalent. You can use less than or greater than to compare the two fraction. Okay? Same denominator. Look, everybody look at the screen. This is the same denominator, 4 and 4, 8 and 8, this one, 6 and 3, the same denominator. So you will look the numerator. So this is 2/4 and 3/4 because 3 is larger than 2. So we put this as what? Less than, okay? It's easy if the same denominator. You just look the numerator, which is the biggest one, okay? And then put the sign of less than and greater than. Okay? Any question? Any question about the comparing fraction with the same denominator?
No.
Okay. So, in comparing fraction, all fractions have value. You can compare 2 or more fractions using the following symbol. This is greater than. Look at the symbol. Greater than. This is greater than. And this is equal to. Remember this rule when comparing fraction. Okay, if the same numerator, as you see, the numerator of this example is 3, but the denominator is 4 and 6. So, if this is a case, if the same numerator so the smaller denominator, this is smaller, is the greater fraction. Okay? If the same numerator, this is numerator 3, so the smaller denominator is 4, so this is the greater fraction. Okay? Understand? So that's why we put greater than here. So if the same denominator, like this, 5, the denominator of this is 5 and 5. So the larger numerator is the greater fraction. Okay? Understand? This is the same numerator. So the smaller denominator is the greater fraction. If it is the same denominator, so the larger numerator is the greater fraction. Okay? So how about the different numerator and denominator like this? If you are comparing two fractions with different numerator and denominator, find equivalent fraction with the same denominator. Okay, 3/5 and 2/4. So as you see, the numerator in this number is 3 and 2. And the denominator is 5 and 4. So they are different. Okay? So you are going to multiply this to 4 to make the same denominator. So this 3/5, when we multiply by 4, the denominator is 20. Okay? And this 1/4, when you multiply by 5, so the denominator is 20. Okay? So now that we have the same denominator, and you see the numerator, this one is 12 and 10. So 12, 20 is the greater than by 10 over 20. So 3/5 is greater than 2/4 because when you multiply to get the common denominator, the 20, 12 is greater than 10. Okay? You can use the butterfly method. Okay? This one is the butterfly method. You cross multiplication and then compare the products. The larger product is the side of the greater fraction. Okay, this one. The same with this. This is another method and this is the butterfly method. Okay, you cross multiply. 3 times 4, 12. 5 times 2, 10. So 12 is greater than 10. So 3/5 is greater than 2/4. Okay, which is easy? This one or this one? Hello? Which is easy? This one or this butterfly method?
Butterfly.
Okay, very good. If you want to make it easy, you do this butterfly method. Okay?
Butterfly.
Okay, butterfly. Okay. So understand? Do you have any question about that? Okay. You want to okay. What fraction is bigger? 2/3 or 3/4? Therefore, 3/4 is the greater than 2/3, and the answer to the question is 3/4 greater than 2/3? The answer is yes. Note, when comparing fractions such as 3/4 and 2/3, you could also convert the fraction if necessary. So they have the same denominator, and then compare with numerator is larger. Okay? Okay. So let's watch this. Comparing fraction unlike denominator.
What I want to do in this video is get some practice comparing fractions with the different denominators. So let's say I wanted to compare 2 over 4, or 2 fourths, and I want to compare that to 5 over 12, or 5 twelfths. And I encourage you to pause the video and figure out which one is greater, 2 fourths or 5 twelfths, or maybe they are equal. So let's think about this a little bit. When I just look at it, it's not obvious which one is larger. And there's several ways that we can look at this. One way is we can try to have the same denominator. We can rewrite these so that we can have the same denominator. So one way to think about it, can I write 2 over 4 as something over 12? Can I write 2 over 4 as something over 12? Let's think about it. If instead of having fourths, if you have 12ths, you now have 3 times as many sections that you've divided something into. So 2 pieces would then turn into 3 times as many pieces. So you multiply the numerator by 3 as well. If you multiply the denominator by 3, you multiply the numerator by 3 as well. So 2 fourths is the same thing as 6 twelfths. Another way to think about it is 2 is half of 4, 6 is half of 12. Now, can we compare 6 twelfths? Can we compare 6 twelfths to 5 twelfths? Well, I have more twelfths here. More twelfths here. I have 6 of them versus 5 twelfths. Now I can make the comparison. And I can say, look, if I have 6 of something, in this case, this thing I have 6 of is twelfths, that's going to be more than having 5 of the 12. So 6 twelfths is greater than 5 twelfths. And I always think of the greater than sign. You're always going to be opening to whichever one is larger. So this is the greater than sign. So 6 twelfths is greater than 5 twelfths. Then 2 fourths is greater than 5 twelfths, because 2 fourths and 6 twelfths are the exact same thing. Now let's tackle another one. This one might be a little bit more interesting. Let's say we want to compare 3 over 5, and we want to compare that to 2/3. 2 over 3. And like always, pause the video and see if you can figure this out. And I'll give you a hint. Try to rewrite both of these so that they have the same denominator. So let's try to do that. So 5 isn't a multiple of 3, 3 isn't a multiple of 5, so we need to find a common denominator. Well, a common denominator would be something that is divisible by both 5 and 3. So the easiest thing I can think of is 15, which is 5 times 3. So let's write 3/5 as something over 15, and let's write 2/3 as something over 15. So 2/3 I'm going to write as something over 15. Well, to go from 5 to 15, I multiplied by 3. So I multiplied by 3. So if I multiply the denominator by 3, I need to multiply the numerator by 3. So multiply by 3. So 3/5 is going to be the same thing as 9/15. I multiply the numerator and the denominator both by the same number, which doesn't change its value. I'm just rewriting it. 3/5 is the same thing as 9/15. And now let's look at 2/3. To go from 3 to 15, you multiply by 5. So you do the same thing with the numerator. You multiply the numerator by 5. 2 times 5 is 10. So 2/3 is the same thing as 10/15. And now we can make a comparison because we have a certain number of 15ths compared to another number of 15ths. So what's larger, 9/15 or 10/15? Well, 10, if you have 10 of something, is going to be more. So 10/15 is larger than 9/15. So I put the symbol that opens to the larger one. And so this one is a less than symbol. 9/15 is less than 10/15. But since 9/15 is the same thing as 3/5, and 10/15 is just another way of rewriting 2/3, we can also put the less than symbol there. 3/5 is less than 2/3.
Okay.
What I want to do in this video is get some practice comparing fractions with the different.
Okay. So it's you understand?
Yes.
Okay. It's very clear. It is very clear to find the common denominators, and then you are going to find which is the biggest. Okay. Because 5 and 13 is not the same. This is a like denominators. That's why you make it be like. And you find the same denominator by multiplying the numerator to the and the denominator. Okay.
What I want to do.
Okay. Let me see this. So you are going to compare using the symbol. Okay, number 1.
Do a notebook or teacher?
Yes. Do in your notebook. Begin. Begin.
ยิ่งเช็ดมินิไซมิตติ้งก็คือย่อให้มันดึกลงเอาน้ำมาเทน้ำแข็งออกมาดิกรเฮียบัดยิบ
ฮัลโหลอันนี้ทำลงในสมุดไหม
Yes.
Finish?
No.
Yeah, teacher.
ที่ขวดก็แตก
Hindi.
Teacher, write only
Huh?
Teacher, write only the symbol or write
Yes, only the symbol. Answer only. Don't write the number, okay? Only the symbol.
I write a number
No,
now.
okay, no. Don't write anymore. You just write the symbol, okay? To make it quickly.
จุ่มเข้าไปไอ้จะให้มันกินจุ่มให้มันแบบออกมาแม่มันออกมา
kulang ng yung last day. Pero sa akin kasi kulang is like, hindi ko lang talaga yung what's the labas mo yung last time. Kasi gawa yung mga last day.
Okay. What?
Sir, I don't see number 10.
Number 10 is 2/3, 2/4.
2, 4, and
2/3 and 2/4.
Finish now.
Finish? I told you only answer.
No, not finished.
Huh?
I'm finished.
Oh, time already.
Được kệ mình đu lòn thế. Xong. Finish. Okay, you can
What? Teacher, I am not finished.
Wait. Okay. So because it's already time, we are going to continue at home. We will, no, we will continue it next meeting, okay? Okay?
Okay.
So we are going to your home, okay? So we will continue this lesson about the comparing fraction.
Okay.
So you do page homework.
Teacher, what page?
Okay, this one. Do page 6 and 15, Mark.
Okay.
I don't finish that.
This is your, so we will continue what we finished today about the comparing fraction. We will continue at the next meeting. Now you are going to do your math worksheet as your homework. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I don't finish this.
No, never mind. We will continue next meeting. Okay? If you will not finish for the slide that we do about the comparing fraction, we will finish. Okay? We will repeat again. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
So do page 6 and 15 as your homework.
Okay.
Huh? Do you understand Teacher Daisy? What Teacher Daisy?
Yes.
Okay. If you
Yes.
don't finish with the slide about the comparing fraction, never mind, okay? We will continue that next meeting, okay? So I give you the pages of your homework. Understand?
Okay.
Okay, now. So bye for now, everybody. Goodbye.
Goodbye,
Bye,
teacher.
teacher.
Goodbye.
See you on Thursday.
See you on Thursday. Bye bye.
Okay, bye.